Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you a simple method on how to make chiffon cakes at home. What do we need for making this cake? The ingredients we need are a bag of chiffon cake mix. We also need eggs and oil. The equipment we need are mixer, kitchen aid, a scale, a spatula, container, scissors, plastic knife, gloves. The baking pans need to be the aluminum one, and the bottom is removable. Finally, we need a baking oven. Let's preset the temperature to 370 Fahrenheit. Now let's start to make the cakes. Firstly, add 12 eggs to the bowl. The total weight of eggs is about 600 grams. Set the speed to the highest and mix for 4 minutes. Then add 1 bag of chiffon cake mix and use the mixing arms to stir the powder into egg batter. It's important to make sure no cake powder set at the bottom. Then mix for 8 minutes at highest speed. You will get a smooth batter. Set the timer for another 1 minute, during which slowly add 75 grams vegetable oil while mixing. Now the batter is ready for baking. Equally divide the batter into 2 8-inch baking pans, about 470 grams for each pan. After the oven temperature reaches 370 Fahrenheit, put the baking pans in the middle level of the baking oven. After 35 minutes, it's ready to take the cakes out. Put the cake on the cooling rack upside down. After cooling down about 1 hour, it's ready to remove the cakes from the baking pans. Now, I will show you how to take the cake out. How to evaluate the quality of a chiffon cake. For a good chiffon cake, its top surface should be flat and consistent with no sign of shrinkage. The cake should be soft, tender, moisture with a fine and uniform texture. The cake should be elastic and firm enough for decoration. Thank you for your attention.